Welcome to MyMirrorClub.com's How to Create and Customize Your Video Guest Book tutorial. In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to create a video guest book for any event, customize its appearance, and prepare it for your guests to record and share their video messages. First, log in to MyMirrorClub.com and go to your account dashboard. From there, locate and click the Video Guest Book button. Click the New Guest Book button to begin creating your video guest book event. You'll now have two options, regular guest book or custom guest book. Choose regular to create a video guest book that can be used on MyMirrorClub.com or embedded as a widget on your own website. Choose custom when you want your video guest book to run from your own custom domain name with SSL security. This option requires you to own a domain and point it to the MyMirrorClub server. For this tutorial, we'll select regular video guest book and then click Create. After creating your video guest book, click the three-dot menu to access all of the available settings and sharing options. Start Guest Book launches the video guest book so you can preview and test the complete guest experience. You can also stop it at any time. Manage Video Messages allows you to view, review, and manage all the video messages recorded by your guests. Rename lets you change the name of your video guest book event. The Upload logo allows you to add your business logo, event logo, or your client's branding. The Upload laptop image lets you add the image displayed inside the laptop graphic on your video guest book landing page. The Upload cell phone image lets you add the image displayed inside the mobile phone graphic on the landing page. The Upload background image allows you to customize the main background of your video guest book page so it matches the theme or branding of the event. Enable Slideshow turns on the video slideshow feature. After a guest submits their video message, they will automatically be taken to the slideshow page where they can watch their message along with other videos submitted during the event. The View Guest Book page opens the public video guest book page so you can preview and test how it looks before sharing it. Once everything is ready, you can copy the page link and send it directly to your client or guests. QR Code for Guest Book generates a QR code that guests can scan with their phones to open the video guest book landing page instantly. The View Slideshow page opens the public slideshow page where everyone can watch the video messages submitted during the event. QR Code for Slideshow generates a QR code that guests can scan to open the public video slideshow page. The Website widget provides the code needed to embed the video guest book directly into your own website. The Website Slideshow widget provides the code needed to embed the submitted video message slideshow on your website. Delete permanently removes the entire video guest book event and all associated content. This action cannot be undone and there is no way to restore the event afterward. So only select Delete when you are completely certain it is no longer needed. You have now successfully created and customized your video guest book event by setting up the event details, uploading your branding assets, and configuring the slideshow and sharing options. Before your video guest book can be used, you must add one video template through the workspace. The video guest book supports only one template, and you may choose either a horizontal or vertical design. Make sure your guests hold their phone or device in the same direction as the selected template. For a horizontal template, the device must be held horizontally. For a vertical template, the device must be held vertically. This ensures that each video fits properly inside the template. Once your template has been added, your video guest book will be ready to preview, test, and share with your client and guests.